This is a run-through of the Danish numbers 1 through 30. 1, en, which also sometimes is it. 2, to, 3, tre, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20, 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25, 26, 26, 27, 27, 28, 28, 28, 29, 29, 30, 30. You'll notice that some of the word, or most of the numbers, will say the ones column first and then the tens column. So for 21, we'll say 1 and 20, and so on. I'll now run through the numbers without the English translation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. In addition, you'll notice that in some parts of the country, typically in Copenhagen, people will not pronounce many of the letters in these words. So the O in between the singles column and the tens column will often disappear, and the V in 20 will often be silent. So instead of 22, which is how somebody would enunciate it, you will hear something like 22, so you can hear that the V goes away. 22. And also on the in the teens, the T's will become more D's than T's. So instead of nitten, you'll hear nitten, nitten, instead of nit. So far I've given you the more traditional pronunciation of the numbers 1 through 30, but now I'm going to run through them in more of a common pronunciation. So this is what you'll typically hear when you're speaking with a Dane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.